Hey guys, it's me, Natalie, and if you know anything about me, you know that I like weird, quirky, and strange things. Like this. This is actually how I wore my hair in high school. I got in trouble because the kids behind me in math class couldn't see what was up front, but you know what? Live weird or die normal. So today, you and I are putting to the test some very strange items to see how worthy they are of our cash. Because a lot of these items, honestly, they seem pretty gimmicky, and I'm just curious to test them out with you. That way you don't have to spend your hard-earned cash. Click this button to be notified of new videos, and if you click that little bell, comment below which of these items you think is the coolest, and I will actually be sending one of these to you. I know, that way we can be twins and we can try them out together. All right, let's get on to the test. This item, this is a strange one. I came across this on Amazon. This is all actually written in Japanese, Chinese. I'm not really sure. Let me know down below in the comments. So basically, this is a sticky magic gum that helps clean keyboards and phones. It's pretty much like slime, but stickier. I'm curious if this is just slime and they just package this up. Pretty much, it's for all electronics that collect dust. This is your little gal. I'm gonna open this up. I'm curious if this has a little smell to it. No. Does it feel slimy? Yeah, it's pretty slimy. So this is how much product is in here. That is it. This is $9.59. Like, the fact that I even bought this, they're getting some money up in here. It's a really bad slime. This is what it claims to do. It reduces bacteria, effectively maintenance of home life quality and health. I don't know how. Just press the cleaning gum onto a surface you want to clean and press it down and lift 2 to 3 times. Very effective at removing 99.99% of harmful particles. I highly doubt this. This doesn't even smell like it would do anything like that. It just smells like slime and glue. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna try this around the house. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna be trying out our little slimy, dusty companion. So first of all, I just wanna show you guys how cute these Natalies Outlet stickers are. This is happening right now for our Audi Squad memberships. If you wanna join, we're creating these really cute little goodie bags over here for you guys to say thanks for becoming a part of the family. If you haven't joined, make sure you click that join button, or there's gonna be a link down below. Let's test this out. We're picking up different little stuff, so. Nice, look at that. I did the work for you. Thanks. Right here in these corners, there's probably some dust. Right over here, I see some stuff. Oh my God. Okay, no, honestly, I don't really get the point of this. On screens, it leaves behind like the residue and the stickiness, and in real life, like, alright, so this next product is actually a tea infuser. I got this at my local CVS. So this claims to be useful for tea bags or just loose leaf tea. I'm personally a huge tea drinker. I'm curious to know if you guys drink tea, if you're a tea lover like myself, or if you're more of a coffee lover. Hashtag coffee or hashtag tea. I'm team tea. Team tea all the way, baby, because I cannot sleep. So it says how to use it. Pretty much what you do is you put in the tea bag in here or some loose tea, cover it up, soak it in hot water, stir it if you wish, and then press this little plunger for even more taste. This retails for $6.89 on Amazon, and it does have Prime. It's not pretty expensive at all, actually. I'm a huge tea fan, so I feel like this is gonna be really good. I'm curious to see how many reviews this has. Oh my God, 541 customer reviews, and it is rated at a 3.9. Let's go to the 1 star. Leaks your tea leaves into your tea.
Ooh, that is not good.
If I could give it 0 stars, I would. This contraption is the most ill-conceived gadgets in the tea infuser universe.
Damn.
Absolutely recommend this item. I personally really love this item. I'm a huge tea drinker, and I'll try to stick with as natural as possible, which means more loose leaves and flowers instead of processed things in tea bags. Great convenience, could be careful with the lid. Great product, she's showing her little tea, but as you could see in this picture, there's actually some little tea lead particles in there, which I'm not a huge fan of. I personally like my tea nice and non-particle-y, if that makes any sense. Okay, you know what? What the heck? Let's go try it out. I'm curious to see if this is gonna be my new favorite little gadget. Here's our little tea gadget, and here's our little tea bag. Now, I'm just thinking, am I supposed to, oh yeah, it works. There you go. Bam! Now we have our hashtag Vibro cup. We're gonna add some hot water. We're gonna pour this little bad boy in, and then I'm not gonna drink it. Angelica's gonna drink it. All right, so now I'm just going to swirl it, steep it, and push it to get more of this out. So there you go. It's been steeping for some time. Enjoy your beautifully brewed tea. Well, first of all, I just want to know, are there any particles in there?
Like inside my tea?
Yeah, because that was
no.
one of, no?
No.
Okay, amazing, because that was one of the cons. People said there's so many particles in there.
Oh.
But it's
I don't
not.
see anything.
Honestly though, here's the thing. I don't know why you would use that if it already comes in a bag.
Well, because it's also for loose leaf tea.
That's right.
but it also says bags on it. It needs honey or something. Because it tastes like water.
Next gadget. So for this next item, this is what you call a reusable ice cream cone. From the picture, this seems to be more of like a little kid gadget, because how many times has it happened that on a very hot summer day, you are enjoying your ice cream and like the heat is so hot that it's melting your ice cream and you cannot enjoy it. And then you just have all of this drippity drip coming down your shirt. It is not nice. So this is supposed to do the opposite. It's supposed to help you actually contain all of the drip, and then you're supposed to drink it. So I personally really like the color of this, and the material and design is quite nice. This is what it says about this. You can pretty much eat the ice cream from the top, drink from the valve at the bottom. Ugh, I'm not a big fan of that. You allow melted ice cream to flow. You can put the valve down into the open position. It is BPA free, food safe, and
It looks pretty badass, I'd say.
all right, so these retail for $10 on Amazon, and they're really cute. I love the colors personally, and I think the idea is just really cute. You can pull the valve open to drink the melted ice cream. I'm not a huge fan of that. Actually, thinking about it, if it's really good ice cream, I'm not gonna let it go to waste. I am gonna drink that ice cream. Wow, there literally is no reviews on this, so we are the first to test this out, and then I'm gonna have to write a review. Comment below what you guys are feeling. Do you think it's gonna be a whoop or a poop? As you can see, there's a little device here where you take it out. See how it clips in and out? When you clip it out, it gives a little hole in there. So if the ice cream melts, you can actually drink it. So clearly our ice cream is melted now. We actually put it in boiling water because it's not that hot today in Florida. Okay, and now we are going to open this up and see what happens. Ew! Yuck! I hate this product. I felt like I was licking a cow. Okay, so clearly it works. If you're a parent, I think this is great for kids. It's gonna seal it in. You won't have it all over, dripping all over their shirt. So I think this is a whoop, even though I don't personally like melted ice cream. What do you guys think? Comment below. So for the next gadget, this one is so awesome. This is called Tappy, and it's a tap attachment that squeezes to create a water fountain. Like, how freaking cool is this? I could definitely see myself taking this to school, to the gym, just to like anywhere that you need to hydrate yourself. There's a picture back here that just shows how the person uses it. You just put it on the faucet, squeeze it, and it creates this amazing water fountain. My only concern with this is how good is the aim? Because if the aim is not good and it's gonna get all over my clothes, then I don't want anything like this. But I think this is such a cool and unique item, so let's see what other people have to say about it. Oh my god, it is so cute. It comes in a variety of colors, super adorable. It's $8.73, which I think the price is okay if it actually works. Other than that, I would say it's kind of pricey. But what I like about this is it feels like multifunctional, where you take it, you can use it, like it seems useful. I don't know why I didn't think about this, but this is wonderful for brushing your teeth if it works the way that it does. You're rinsing your toothbrush from the bottom, you're rinsing your mouth from the top, no cup, no dirty hands needed, literally thebomb.com. It has a 3.0 out of 5, which to me, that's like a C, not very good. It has 31% 5 stars as it has 1 star, so let's go to the 1 star. Doesn't work and can't pick color. I have tried this on different faucets in my house and it doesn't work. It doesn't fit on the faucet appropriately, but also doesn't work as a water fountain. Also, you can't pick the color that is sent to you, which isn't the deal. Didn't work for me, just didn't work, wouldn't fit in my bathroom faucet, that sucks. It did not make a nice water fountain, but splattered water from the faucet hole. That was my concern. Horrible, don't waste your money, 1 star. Ooh, okay. It is not universal. So people are saying that this is not universal, it does not work with different faucets, and that it kind of splatters everywhere. I have one in each bathroom and use them all the time. Very interesting. I was glad to see it on Amazon, 5 stars. All right, so some people are saying it's good, other people are saying it's wacky. Let's test it out. What do you guys think? Comment below. I really want to like this one. If you comment below that you want this one, I will obviously send you a brand new one. I will not give you mine unless you want it. Let me know. All right, so we have this little guy right here. Supposedly this is supposed to fit in here. Ready? As you can see, let's pretend this is my toothbrush. I'm rinsing my toothbrush, I like so, and now I'm going to squeeze. Wow, that sucks. Now I'm going to squeeze. Ay, ay, ay. Now I'm going to squeeze. It's not working. And it's supposed to come out like a fountain. So that was because it was too little. So now I'm going to squeeze. Doesn't really look like I feel like, no, I wouldn't want to do that, you know what I mean? Especially in the morning when you do your makeup and stuff and then you're about to brush your teeth, like that is not the way I want to rinse my mouth. Let's try another faucet. The only issue here, if we come in closer, is you could see that this kind of hits the rim of this. Like there, it kind of works, but you know what I mean? Then that's like a waste of water and you're still touching the rim, which is nasty. It like doesn't go the right way. It has no aim. This one clearly doesn't fit, and that was one of the biggest complaints, is it's not a universal faucet and it just doesn't work. It's a poop. I wanted this to work so bad. All right, so for this one, when I saw this, I was like,
oh my god, I need to try this.
this is a bath light, which allows you to change the color of your bath water. So if you're anything like me, that I love taking a bath, most relaxing thing ever, I'm going to love this. Obviously, first and foremost, it is waterproof. That is amazing. It has 7 different modes where it could glow, flash, it could color change. The easiest way to create a magical light show. I think this is so nice.
It's also kind of romantic.
Pretty nice. Okay, I am so excited to try this out. I'm excited also to see what other people have to say about this. Let's check it. This retails for $8.99.
Not bad at all.
Matter of fact, I don't actually know if this is that same one. I'm just looking at one online. It's not the same brand. I bought this at the Container Store and I believe this was like 15 bucks or maybe 12 bucks, but so worth it in my opinion. It even has a little suction cup so you can place it up against the little bathroom wall, a little super vibrant LED light. Let's get to testing this. This has no reviews. Anyways, I'm excited to try this out. Let's go take a bath together. Here's another product for my bath lovers. This is the Color Bath Drops by Crayola. Now, I saw this when it was back to school season and I was like,
what the heck is this?
but I'm loving that they're going into the whole relaxing self-care type of vibes. So pretty much what this is there's a bunch of colors in here and you drop this into your bathtub, it creates the beautiful color. Smells like vitamin. There's a nice purple in here. There's some blues, orange, and that's actually it. Not many colors.
I'm disappointed in that.
According to this, the tablet dissolves super quickly and the water turns a vibrant color. So either vibrant orange, vibrant blue, vibrant purple, and that's about it. I don't know why there's not more colors. This actually feels a little chalky. Has that little chalky feel. It's a little stainy. I'm curious if it's gonna stain my body or stain my bath. It has over 60 fragrant-free bathtub little tints, which is kind of nice because if you're someone like me that has like eczema and itchy skin, you know that sometimes fragrance can really get with your skin and just make it more itchy. I'm excited to try it out. It looks a little staining though. Let's check out the reviews. Oh my gosh, I am shook at how many people have actually tried this. 2,388 people. Wow, that is a lot of people and this has a lot of stars and it's actually an Amazon choice. Very interesting. Wow, I didn't have that much faith in this. I've actually had this for quite some time now. It says for 3 and up. Not that pricey. It's actually $6.55, which is not bad at all. Wow, there are a lot of 5 stars.
Let's go to the 1 star though.
Child safety read. I used this product in my daughter's bath for 3 weeks. Gradually, she started itching and developing a rash all over her body, including her face. So just be aware that you should definitely always do a patch test when it comes to anything new that you're ever trying out because you just don't know how your body's gonna react to it. Ooh, another person saying that their whole body broke out in a rash.
Oh my god, that is sad.
As for the good ones, drop them like it's hot. Oh yeah. It's my first time using this. I jumped in. Tiredly, the colors are vibrant. Dropped one in. Oh my god. What? Drop one red in the tub and it looked like the opening scene from Jaws. That is a little scary. I don't know if I want to try that. So we're gonna test it out. Today we're actually testing this out with my sister because I need to film another video and I can't jump in the tub and have a fun time. But I'll try these out another time. So Angelica is gonna do me the honors of getting in here today because I do not want to and she's a great sister. Yes, sister! Alright, so we're gonna just put some hot water on and we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do the bath light and we're also gonna do the bath drop. So we just found out that it is battery operated and you need a little screwdriver to be able to get it out. It doesn't light up everything though. It's like not as magical as it looked on the thing. This makes it look like the whole thing is popping.
Maybe it needs to be like
centered.
super dark in here.
Let's see. Let's try to center it. Yeah, it's pretty not great. Like it's alright. Like I'll still use it, but I feel like it's not as fabulous as it said it was. Do I like it? Yes. Will I use it? Probably. Is it as beautiful and majestic? It's alright. This is a maybe baby. Like I kind of like it, but it's not as fabulous. Comment below what you guys think, and if you want this, just comment I want product number. So now we're gonna drop our little bath drops and see how magical it looks. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. Dang, that looks gorgeous. Let's put another color.
Blue, maybe?
That looks way prettier than I saw in pictures. Are you kidding me right now? This is a whoop!
Yeah.
This had a lot of stars and a lot of people tried it.
That's cool.
This is a whoop. Yes! Okay, how many of you guys are little foodies? I am. How many of you guys love tacos? I do. How many of you guys love to eat? I do. So these just kind of took my attention because I'm like, okay.
Taco holders.
I mean, here's the reality. Do I ever really struggle with holding up my taco? Not necessarily, but if I'm ever having a picnic or if I'm ever having any type of gathering with people, sometimes it can get a little bit messy. And if you want to seem proper and act proper, then you want everything to be looking nice, especially if you're hosting taco night like I do sometimes. And these are kind of cool. So I like this as like a little gathering. So I thought this gadget was pretty interesting. I'm curious to see what other people have to say about it, however. 0 reviews, are you kidding me? So I guess we're gonna test out how functional this is. Does it actually hold up to its standard? And is it actually worth it? Do we actually need a little taco stand or holder up? I think so. Let's go eat some tacos. All right, guys, so today I'm joined with Angelica and Jupiter. We're gonna have our tacos. All right, so we have our cool little taco holders. These are so awesome. We're gonna test them out, see if it works. So you could like literally host a party and like everybody's tacos are standing up. I think that's pretty badass. Is it functional or is it, I mean, it works. I guess you could also eat it like this. No, you don't actually eat with it, but I guess you could.
You technically can. Yeah, maybe.
Why?
I mean, they're cool, but like, what do I need this for?
Just for party, for hosting. I mean, it does what it sets out to do. But I would say more should come in, you know?
Oh yeah, then 4.
Yeah.
That's kind of sad.
Cheers.
Oh, he's drooling.
All right, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and comment below which of these gadgets you thought was the coolest, and I will be sending it your way. As always, you can always connect with me on Instagram or Twitter at Natalie's Outlet. I love you guys so much. If you're not a part of the family, be sure to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that little bell, because this year we're not being lazy, and if you hit that bell, YouTube will notify you of new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.